Hi everyone, Sarah here. I'm just sitting here working on one of my Spell Queen canvases, and it's kind of a rainy day and the internet, it keeps going in and out, so I thought I might as well do a WIP and Chat. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would see that I did finish one of the canvases, the square drill, just the small one. Got it done, I believe just like a couple nights worth of work on it. It went really well. The drills all fit really nicely. There's a little bit of gap in between the drills, but that's okay. It's not like majorly noticeable. And they're not popping, so I think I'd rather have a little bit of a gap as opposed to popping drills. So I decided to pull out this one and start on the round drills, and these drills are beautiful. They're super sparkly. I don't see any trash. The drills themselves so far don't have like little chunks missing out of them or anything. My only issue with this canvas so far, and obviously I haven't gotten very far, as you can see, this is the bottom. I'm working bottom up, and kind of because it is kind of in color blocking, going from the bottom up, because you've got like the sand, and then you have the water, then you have the sky. So I'm kind of working that way, just in colors. But I've noticed down in here, as I'm getting higher, I'm working on the number 5s. And right beside the number 5 is an S. I didn't notice that at first. They have 5 and S, which are both very similar. But the 5s are kind of square looking, and the S is really curly. And then it's a beige and a white. So it's not terrible, but if you're just like drilling away and kind of stop paying attention to what you're doing, as I sometimes do, you could make the mistake of mixing your drills up for that one symbol. But that's the only issue so far, really. It's just that. The round drills are fitting really nicely. Tired. Yeah, so how's everyone's week going so far? We have rainy weather. Just started kind of this afternoon going into the evening, and it's supposed to be raining next week, which is kind of a pain in the butt because the kids are back in school and they still want them to go outside for recess even if it's raining. So I was kind of struggling last night trying to find Jonathan a jacket because he doesn't have a rain jacket. He does not like rain jackets. He doesn't really like jackets in the first place. He likes to just wear a sweatshirt, and that's not going to keep him dry. So we ran out to Walmart last night, and they don't have any raincoats. Like, this is not the season to buy a raincoat. This is the season to buy a winter coat. So it's kind of frustrating that they sent us that email on Friday telling us it's going to rain this week and they're sending your kid outside. So be prepared. I'm like, gee, thanks. So it's fun. Luckily it didn't rain today during the day, just like started to spit out a little bit on his way home. But we will see. It's interesting days. What's everyone working on? Anything exciting? Did you buy anything new? I do still have my 2 canvases that I ordered from Mystical Diamond Art. I did open one just to look at it, but I still would like to do an unboxing video for you guys. I just have not had the chance, and I also a little upset over the purchase because of the extra charges that I had to pay. They didn't come through as duty fees. they came through as brokerage fees from UPS. So, which makes me think that the purchase was sent through, and it does say commercial slip on it. So it's kind of like it was sent through as if I was purchasing items to resell, which I'm not. I purchased items for myself. So I made a retail purchase, not a commercial purchase. So it's really kind of annoying that I got these extra charges, and it was $50 extra for 2 canvases, which were pricey to begin with, but I bought one for my sister for Christmas and then one for myself, and I don't regret that. I do love the images. It's licensed art. It looks really nice, but just kind of frustrated over that. So other than that, I'm still waiting on some pre-orders from Diamond Art Club. Some that said they would be shipping mid-September, which it's like end of September. So I'm kind of concerned about that. And then the other ones are October, so no worry there. I did put in an order at FG Normal. There's just a couple of paintings that I've been seeing other people unbox that I kind of wanted, so, and I found some Disney ones that I was looking for. They are Disney Prince and Princess images that they sell on Amazon, but not Amazon Canada, so for me to order it on Amazon US, I'd get all these extra charges and exchange rate and everything. So I found them on FG Normal. I'm very excited about it, so ordered those plus a couple other ones. What else? I think I ordered something else, but I'm forgetting what it is. And I'm losing my voice. Excuse me. When I talk a lot, I lose my voice. Special like that. So that's all I can think about. Oh, excuse me. That's all I can think about right now. Nothing really exciting, just working and diamond painting, helping out my parents, making sure the kids are okay. Jonathan said he does not like school anymore. He used to love school, and now he says it's boring because he told me that the reason that he loved school was recess, that he could play with his friends. And now, because of the structure of everything, he's only allowed to play with the people in his class, of which he didn't have anybody that he knew from last year. So he's playing by himself. And it's really boring. Ooh, look at that tiny drill. Can you see right there? Pick that out. That's the extent of the trash for this diamond painting. There may be the odd little tiny drill. Other than that, everything else seems really pretty, really sparkly. I think uniform size too on these drills. I haven't had any issues with that. Oh, I did get the giveaway prize sent out this weekend, and I sent out another package. What else? Don't see any more 5s in here. Let's get another color. I love that these are in baggies. It makes it so much easier. I did want to start a new Diamond Art Club painting since I just finished the Chuck Pinson. So if there's any that you guys really want to see, let me know in the comments. We'll see if there's a big demand for a certain painting. And maybe that's the one that I will do. I know the Winter Oasis, I do want to do that one. But I think I'll save that one to do in December as kind of like a Christmas image that I'm working on. So pretty. But if there's one that I've unboxed in the last little while or on my channel that you really would like to see, let me know and maybe that will be the next one that I do. This is a pretty mint, really light mint color. Oh, I do have the replacement keychains from Craftsy Art, so I do have to do that. I was going to make those on film with you guys. And they did send me the entire kit as a replacement instead of just the drills. So I think what I will do is pull out some of my extra drills, or maybe even my fancy ones, and do up the extras. And then I'll have some for Christmas presents. I wish I had more exciting stuff to share with you guys. I told you before, I don't know what to talk about. If there's a topic you'd like me to talk about, let me know. I think this one's gonna go super fast also. I didn't do much this weekend. I just had a bad headache. And it was hard for me to focus. It's still a little bit hard to focus. It's hard when you're staring at a computer screen all day long for work, and then to go and do this also. It does kind of like annoy your eyes. But I like to do this. I just love the paintings that are done after, and I find it just is relaxing, takes my mind off of other things. And I just love using a multi-placer now. I'm just pro multi-placer. And that's the one thing, when you have really bad drills that you can't use a multi-placer with, it's annoying. But I've not had this issue with these ones or the square ones. Alright, so I'm probably going to finish up this color and do some time lapse for you guys and try and get up to this blue section done up here to do at least get the water part done, and then I can leave that for another night. Yeah, so my questions for you guys is what you're working on, and if there's any Diamond Art Club painting that you would prefer to see me work on first. All right, just leave that in the comments. Be right back. Okay, so I finished up to the sky, into the sky just a little bit, but I still have to do in the palm tree there. But looking at it, you can tell in a distance through the camera that those are chairs, but not looking at it in person. See, the further back you go, the better it is. Oh, there's a drill falling down there. Must have dropped that one. Yeah. So definitely requires a bigger size, but I'm sure it'll still be a cute picture. All right, so that's it for today. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.